Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, we'll be talking about which one is better, Opendoor or Zillow. So guys, before this video starts, let's see how you can go and check out. First of all, you need to go to Zillow.com, create account. And here we can, of course, if you don't have one, you can, of course, if you have one, you can, of course, go and just download. During that download, you can go and, of course, register. And now, as you can see, we have the buy, rent, sell, home loans and find an agent. In the top left corner, in the top right corner, manage rentals, advertise, help, your profile, and the search bar here. But now guys, let's see which one is better, Opendoor or Zillow. So both Opendoor and Zillow offer a popular buyers, but they have some key differences that might make one more suitable for you depending on your needs. So Opendoor buys homes directly from the sellers and then resells them to buyers, offers a quick and convenient selling process, often completing sales in little as 10 days. It allows home owners to buy a new home and sell their current one in a single transaction, requires a membership fee for their services. On the other hand, Zillow offers primarily a listing platform to connect buyers and sellers, offers a quick and convenient selling process. But which one is better? Well, if you're looking for a fast and streamlined process, Opendoor might be a better choice due to its quick turnaround time and home trade options. If you prefer a platform that connects you with a wide audience and doesn't require a membership fee, Zillow offers might be more suitable. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything. Bye guys.